So today we are gonna check the HVAC heater blend door for Acura MDX. There is no air coming out from here. There is coming. Okay, so these two, no air coming out. And also on that one, there is supposed to be air coming out, but there is nothing coming out from here. And as a result, this side is very cold in the winter, and I cannot take it. Rear is fine, nothing wrong with the rear, everything's good. And also the right side has the same problem, and let's see if I can fix it. I need space here so I can access the blend door from here. Okay guys, this is Acura MDX. So guys, I remove everything from this door. Okay, now I'll open this. Okay, that's it. Easily coming out. And there is the problem, guys. This is the HVAC door, and some cases you guys need to replace it, but in my case I opened previously, and that's why I didn't notice. It was good, and it started to go bad. So let's check. So as I open, I check my fan, everything looks good, and I clean my filter. It's a good practice so you don't inhale anything bad. Okay, it's very tight spot, so I'm gonna use a screwdriver. This is very short Phillips screwdriver. I do want to mention, if I change the mode, and you can see the movement of this one. And maybe one or two, maybe door is not opening because of this. It's supposed to be moving, but let's see. Take it out and put it back. So guys, I removed the first two screw already, and as you can see it's a little wobbly right now, and there is like one or two more screw. So let's just open. So guys, I opened the three of the screws, and this part is right here. It came out. Disconnected it for you guys, and that's the culprit. Because of it, I wasn't getting the air. So guys, I know this part has no wrong, nothing problem with this. It was moving, as you can see, this is grease, so this should be here. I'm not moving, and now I'm gonna reattach this, and let's see if I can open the doors. I'll reconnect this with this cable. Goes right in here. So guys, I successfully connected this with this cable now, and I'm gonna try to fit it in. So guys, this should be like that, and I can notice the air is coming through here, no problem. I'm getting air from here. Something about mechanism is right there. That is the one is switching pretty much everything. If I change the mode, that's pretty much it, and I'm getting air from all over. Guys, if I change modes now, on each and every kick I'm moving, so that's why I'm getting air from all over. This is air coming out, and if I go to the bottom, I'm also getting heat, guys. So that's pretty much it. Now I'll just put everything back. I put the screws back on. Okay, so there's supposed to be 4. Now I'll put this back. Okay, so guys, this is how you fix it. I'm getting air from here right now. If you notice, it's air coming, no problem. So thank you so much. If you think this video was helpful for you, so like, share and subscribe. I'll be with the next video. Thank you.